Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this fake pencil rotation in Adobe After Effects. So let's start. Alright, so we are inside of Adobe After Effects and now let's begin. So I have a pencil base in here, which is the basic shapes of my layer. And I have the body where, as you see, these are three kind of wooden red lines that we need to create fake rotation for it. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to go towards the pencil body, and as you see, the anchor point isn't in the right place. So I'm going to go towards the anchor point tool and then I'm going to move it towards here. And now the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to navigate through the pencil body, and in group 1 I'm going to select these layers and then I'm going to press Ctrl+D to duplicate it, and then let's press V, and now let's adjust it like this. And now what I can do is that I can, for example, select these middle layer. I can get its color, and for these layers I'm gonna get this one. Okay, and I'm gonna select the group 1, 8 and 9 one more time. I'm gonna duplicate it. Let's move them above. I accidentally moved them towards the layer 15. Okay, so this is the basic shape. Now, to make this animation work, we need to kind of push these, red lines into the pencil body. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to parent the pencil body to the pencil base. So in that way, if I rotate the pencil, as you see, it rotates with it. So I'm going to duplicate the pencil base too, and let's call it the mask. And now, as you know, in the After Effects 2023, the track matte function entirely changed. So I'm gonna, like parenting, I'm gonna select the pencil body and then I'm gonna track matte it to the mask. As you see, now it is done. So but I'm gonna bit adjust it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna parent also the mask to the pencil base, so it follows the entire rotation. Now if I navigate through the pencil body, let's press P to bring up position, and let's right click on it to separate the dimensions, and let's go towards the 1 second and 12 frames. And now let's adjust it. All right, as you see, we have this rotation that we wanted. So let's decrease the timing and let's press F9, and now let's change the graph type to speed. Let's turn down the influence a bit. Like we want it to be as normal as possible. So I'm going to select them. I'm going to turn down the influence. Okay, this is great. Now I'm going to go towards the pencil base to add a bit follow through into my animation. So I'm going to press R to bring up rotation, and exactly like 6 frames forward, I'm going to set it to +8, and again on the 12 frames, I'm gonna set it on -7, and then let's go on the 8 frames to move it like 10, and then let's exactly on 1 frame push it on 0. And now let's apply standard easings. As you see, it is a bit fast, so I'm gonna hold Alt while the keyframes are selected. Nice. And now let's offset it a bit like this. And as you see, this is the final result, and it is looking pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave out a like and subscribe to my channel. That will be helping me out a lot for my future videos. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. Have fun.